All right, welcome to today's video. Let's get started with BTC. BTC yesterday followed the trading plan that we laid out pretty much to the pip. I said yesterday that I would entertain a long position if BTC reaches the 0.75 Fibonacci level, which also has a confluence with this trend line here of this downtrending channel. And it didn't reach to the pip, but close enough. And that was the moment when I took a position in ETH, because I said yesterday as well that I think that ETH is even cleaner. And ETH did a fantastic push since then. Yeah, we see it here. I still mapped out the Fibonacci levels from yesterday, and that was a fantastic entry opportunity right here. I fumbled it a few times before I actually got in the trade. It was pretty nervous down here, price action, and I got stopped out, I think, twice. Yeah, twice. Before I actually re-entered around here, this level 2760-ish. Closed the trade already in profit. I don't like when it's too pushy, especially if we look at the grander scheme of things, and if we would overlay some pip levels from this level here, we already pushed way above the 0.618 and 0.75 level. I thought we see an immediate reaction or a rejection at this level right here, but we didn't. It pushed through. That's life, guys. On to the next trade. I never had problems in my trading of feeling like fear of missing out. I never FOMO into trades. I'm happy to catch part of the move. I don't need to catch the whole move. If I catch part of it, I'm pretty happy. If I have if I follow my risk-adjusted system, it was a good day for me and a good trade. So yeah, ETH is pushing now here above. Have to see what ETH will do. Let's get back to BTC and talk about what we can do today with the price action. So BTC is pushing towards the yearly open. Yearly open, I think I said it in the video yesterday already. Yearly open would be a very important level for me. If Bitcoin can flip that and find acceptance above, this would indicate to me a proper trend shift. But you can also see I highlighted the trend lines that indicate this channel here to the downside, red, and I established another upwards trending channel of trend lines here in green. And yeah, right now we are pushing at the upper boundary of this channel, and I'm observing the price action now. We have the 4-hour close coming up in 8 minutes. Probably gonna wait at least for another 4-hour close before taking a position. If we push further towards this yearly open level, I'm gonna wait and see the reaction there. I'm not gonna chase like 1.7, 1.8%. If we should roll over again and either we're gonna show a clear rejection from this upper uptrending trend line, or we see a rollover and acceptance again below this upper downtrending trend line, I'm going to initiate a short position in the trade with either the respected target at this trend line or the target of the mid level here of this uptrending channel. Okay, can highlight the price action here. Again, either we find some reaction at this one, yeah, and I'm gonna see if we can push towards this mid-range. That would be option A. Option B is we actually roll over again in this channel, and then I would see if I can initiate a position here. That would be option B. And option C is we're gonna move towards here. This is something I would like to observe. I'm not gonna take any trades in the short term. Yeah, no FOMO around the yearly open. I want to see how price reacts to it, and the reaction should be clean. If price action is like grindy, I'm just tight. I'm just gonna observe how tight it will be, and if there's a potential for some breakout. Yeah. If we look at ETH, can look at ETH as well. ETH is clean. I like ETH. If you trade like me, if you trade the 6 hour, 12 hour, 4 hour, 2 hour, ETH is pretty clean, price action wise. Clear situation, there's nothing to do right now. We pushed above this trend line right here. And I mean, it's the same situation for ETH. Huh? If we look at, we can take those levels here away to make it more clean. Here we go. Yeah, that's the upward trending channel. Can also highlight it that we have a little bit more of a cleaner view. It can seem, I mean, I made a video yesterday why I prefer trend lines above horizontal support and resistance lines. If you haven't seen the video, check it out. It's on the channel. I talked about that the charts are less cluttered with trend lines. For me it is, but it's maybe difficult for the eye to see clear through the spider web of trend lines. But if you train your eye a little bit, you will see it. You will see it clean, and you will see how price shifts actually its behavior from a downward trending channel to an upward trending channel. Yeah, same for ETH. That we have the rollover. Yeah, we have the rollover, which would indicate something like this. I mean, this level here should really hold. I mean, it's one of the more significant levels that should hold, because it indicates a first potential higher low on the mid time frames, and that'd be great to hold if you're looking for like further upside. Otherwise, it's going to be interesting what ETH will do at this point, because we have both channels basically compressing here and finding some overlap. Yeah, I will see how this will play out. For now, we are in no man's land. We clearly pushed through a fib level that could indicate further downside. That was a interesting moment when ETH pushed basically into this area here, because we would have had confluence of a fib level with the downtrending channel. Can still happen that we will roll over, but I actually probably would focus more on maybe something like this, that we can continue our path in this uptrending channel right here. But yeah, this is I'm not forecasting, I'm not anticipating, I'm reacting to what price gives me. Right now, we pushed above the downtrending trend line, we pushed above the mid-level of the uptrending mid-level, and we're going to see now to which point it will eventually pull back or push towards to. Okay. So yeah, I'm happy with how it turned out yesterday. I took one trade today. It was a very short-lived one. Closed in profit. Profits fully taken. I had an entry right here when we pushed through this this downwards trend line and this mid-level of this upwards trending channel. Took a position here, closed a position around here, and now just observing how price action will unfold. Despite that, I'm out of all trades right now. I usually want to be out of trades. This is the way how I trade. I want to be out of trades when price approaches trend lines that I have an interest in, or where I think that the reaction could form a new bias. And yeah, that's what I do right now, waiting for price action to give me some reaction, and then looking to initiate the next trade. Good, that's the plan for today. Let's see what happens, and we talk tomorrow. Happy trading, guys, and remember, this is not financial advice, just my opinion on the markets.